Welcome to all. This is Surya. I am working as assistant professor in Dr. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in the Department of Computer Applications. So in the last session, we have seen about the introduction of cloud computing. So in this session, we are going to see about the importance of NIST model in cloud computing. Cloud technology fundamentals. So in this, we are going to see the topic of NIST model. So what is the NIST model? The United States government is a major consumer of computer services and therefore one of the major users of cloud computing networks. The US National Institute of Standards and Technology has a set of working definitions. So if we want to go through the NIST model website, means we can search it http://csrc.nist.government. So we can go through this website. And then cloud definition v15.doc. Let's separate cloud computing into service models and deployment models. Everything we can see that. And then those models and the relationship to essential characteristics of cloud computing are shown in the next following session figure. The NIST model originally didn't require a cloud to use virtualization to pool resources, nor did it absolutely require that a cloud support multi-tenancy in earliest definitions of cloud computing. So multi-tenancy is the sharing of resources among two or more clients. For example, if we are having one printer, so number of users means we can say use the resource for all the clients. The same concept we can apply here. So this is the cloud computing definitions of NIST model. First we are having deployment models, community, and then hybrid, and then private, public. So these are the deployment models. And what are the services we are having? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and then software as a service. And then what are the attributes are having in service? So resource pooling. In the resource pooling, we are having the broad network access, and then measured service, and then on-demand self-service. Because cloud computing is moving toward a set of modular interacting components based on standards such as the service-oriented architecture. You might expect that future versions of the NIST model may add those features as well. So the NIST cloud model does not address a number of intermediary services such as transaction or service brokers, provisioning, integration, and interoperability services that form the basis for many cloud computing discussions. So given the emerging roles of service buses, brokers, and cloud APIs at various levels, undoubtedly these elements need to be added to capture the whole history. So here we are going to see the important characteristics of cloud computing. So there are many characteristics of cloud computing. Here are few of them. On-demand self-services. The cloud computing services does not require any human administrators. Users themselves are able to provision, monitor, and manage computing resources as needed. Second one, broad network access. The computing services are generally provided over standard network and heterogeneous devices. And then rapid elasticity. The computing services should have IT resources that are able to scale out and quickly and on a need basis. So and then resource pooling. Already we have seen about this resource pooling. The IT resource example, for example, network servers, storage applications, and then services present are shared across multiple applications and occupants in an uncommitted manner. Multiple clients are provides services from a same physical resource. And then measured service. The resource utilization trackers for each application and occupant. It will provide both the user and the resource providers. And then multi-tenancy. Cloud computing can support multiple tenants, user or organizations on a single set of shared resources. And then virtualizations. So cloud computing use virtualization technology to abstract underlying hardware resource and present them as a logic resource to users. And then resilient computing. So cloud computing services are typically designed with a redundancy and fault tolerance in which ensures high availability and reliability. So on the next point, flexibility and then pricing models. And then we are having the option security and then automation and then sustainability. So in security, cloud providers invest nearly very much amount for security measures to protect their users. And then automation, cloud computing servers are often highly automation, allowing the users to deploy the services. So in this video, we have seen about the importance of NIST models and then what are the characteristics of cloud computing. In the next video, we'll see the next topic in cloud technology fundamentals. Thank you. Video. In this video, we have seen about the importance of NIST models and then what are the characteristics of cloud computing. So in this important session, it will be helpful for you. So next, we'll see the next topic. Thank you.